In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find a link in bio on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram, and in order to follow the link from the bio, first thing we need to do is get into Instagram profile in which bio located a link we are looking for. We can easily do so from our Instagram timeline if we tap add a username here. And then also we can open up user's profile from, let's say, their story. So here I got story from the same user, and then to go to their profile, all I have to do is just tap right here at their username. And here, just under the name of that user right there, we see a link, in this case to google.com, and then to follow that link we can just tap on it and it will open up that URL in inbuilt browser. That's how you can easily find and follow link in bio on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.